Alright, y'all, so I'm doing my niece's hair for her birthday. She asked for the half up, half down ponytail, and she actually wanted it very low. So what I'm going to do here first is just braid her hair down, and then I'm going to put the protection cap on, and then I'm going to sew it down. Once I sew it down, I realized I forgot to put the protection, like glue, I forgot what it's called, on her hair. So then I put it on her hair before I put the second cap on. And I put 2 caps on there just to protect her hair and just to make sure that less glue as possible touches her hair. So that's what I'm going to do here in these next couple of steps that you see before we start to glue the tracks onto her hair.
Always watch your back.
Alright, so here I'm going to be using the beach curls to glue the tracks in. That's the type of hair we're using. And what I do normally is I measure the hair out, cut it, glue it down, and then I use the blow dryer to just try to get it as tacky or as stick to the hair as possible. I know it may take a while sometimes for the glue to adhere, but I just want to go ahead and try to set that mold in place to try to get on there as best as possible. So in these next couple of steps, you're going to just see me cut the tracks and lay them on the hair. Now, I know some people don't cut tracks, but I just prefer that for the most simple and flat install. I haven't mastered that because I don't do this often. So this is what I'm doing here to achieve this look. All right, so now that the tracks are glued in the back, I'm going to prep the ponytail portion. And so my niece is natural, and so I'm going in to straighten her hair. And I'm saying that she's natural because a lot of the products that I would normally use on her hair that I have, it waves her hair up, and I was trying to make it as flat as possible. And then also a lot of products that I normally would use on her hair, she says that they tend to form like white flakes on her hair, and I do not add it to be true because I know a lot of products, depending on that I use on my daughter's hair, she's natural, it can flake her hair up too. I'm natural now too, but I don't know if my hair is just used to certain products because I was perm. I don't know, but certain things don't flake my hair up as it do others. But so you'll see in the next couple of steps when I do apply a product in her hair, it does start to wave up right there at the root. But I'm going to go ahead here, and I'm just pressing her hair out. It was looking really good. I was going to tell her that she needed to just come get her hair pressed out again and just wear her hair for a little bit, especially when the weather is like real cool. Because when it gets humid with natural hair, it'll poof up quick. But I'm just going to press her hair out. And then what I'm also going to do is trim her ends. I can't not trim people ends when I see them looking like the way they do. So I'm going to do that too. And then you're going to see me in the next couple steps just pull her hair and style it in a ponytail.
Always watch your back.
So in this step, I have already pressed the hair and I'm pulling into the ponytail. It's like a demo pony, so I'm just trying to get the hair to the point that she wants it to be at before I start to put product on there. And because I can't put a lot of product on there, and I didn't want to put any wet products like edge controls and things like that, because that tends to wave up your natural hair when you're dealing with natural hair. So I went in with some Got to Be spray, or any type of hairspray that I had that would harden and not wave up as much. So I was using that a lot here in these steps, and some of that on camera you didn't see when I would spray it and blow dry or flatten it out some more. But I'm just brushing out the hair again, trying to get it as flat and seamless as possible before we start to put the ponytail in. And my battery did die, so I did not get me actually putting on the ponytail, but I will show you guys the final product.
Always watch your back. Shit.